Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can install Forge for Minecraft. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Forge. Open the first website, select the mod version and click on download. You will be redirected to a new page. Just click on the skip ad button at top right corner of your screen. Now the downloading will get started. After it completes, go to the download location and run the downloaded file. You can see that it is showing an error. That's because I don't have the Minecraft launcher running right now. So make sure to run the Minecraft official launcher before installing Forge. And that's how you can install Forge for Minecraft. Hope you liked the video. Thanks